Welcome to today's show. Today there's another project in the kitchen rental countertop change, because now the counter's too white, the appliance is too white to get stainless steel appliances, but they're taller than these ones, so we have to lift this counter 2 inches. Let's try and figure that out. Okay, so up there I marked 2 inches higher. Looks like we have to take screws out of the back and then out of this side cupboard. So we're going to block it up first, take the screws out, then jack her up. Okay, we're going to take the last screw right here. I don't know if you can see this, but you have to take a chisel from the back. There. And now this piece will be free to slide up and down. Now you can see this is free. Level her up into that little project. It's all level, it's 2 inches up, exactly right. I have it ½ an inch to the hinge of the new one, probably an inch or two space, 68.5. An inch or so here and ½ an inch to the hinge of the new one, so that'll be lots. It'd just be trouble reaching here, but maybe we'll make something else. Just put the molding back. Okay, there's the moldings back on. No one even knows. No one even knows it was done. Alright. Well, if you like today's show, subscribe, hit the like button. Remember to leave a comment that'll help others. Thanks for watching. Later.